Okay, you guys. So yesterday in the ionic bonding recap video, you looked at this energetics diagram and we talked about 3 different types of energy involved in ionic bonding. So the first type of energy happens here, and we can see it's labeled as IE. This is ionization energy. I'm going to do A and B together. So the first is ionization energy. And ionization energy, this is the energy required to turn cesium into a cation, which means that we removed an electron from the cesium. Okay. The next is the electron affinity. That is this energy here, electron affinity. And the electron affinity is the energy released when we give that electron to fluorine, turning it into an anion. And then the last energy, this big piece here, this is our lattice energy. Okay. The lattice energy is the energy released when my positive cation and my negative anion get to come together. This is a big number. This is the biggest of all 3 of those energies. So it has the most kind of impact on if we're going to be exothermic or endothermic. So one last thing to note then is from here, this was our start. Down here is our end. This is our total change in energy of the system from the start to the end. Okay, so you guys, today you are going to be watching an introduction video to Lewis structures, which is another way to show covalent compounds. And then you're going to work on the Lewis structure worksheet, parts A through C. You will be finishing probably at different times. So then alone, you can watch the advanced Lewis structure video, follow along with your notes, and then you'll be able to complete the backside of that Lewis structure worksheet. You have a block day, so please use your time wisely because you do have a little other work as well. The book assignment, I want you to complete sections, that should say, 8.2, and then 8.3 to 8.4 is one chunk about covalent. So I will see you guys on Friday. We're going to have a quiz on what you've been working on this week. So there will be an energetics diagram and then some ionic and covalent questions as well.